Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and we are in our final kind of rush to get the car together for the show. As you can see, the workbench is a horrible mess because we're in crunch time. So we are gonna, basically we finally got all the big pieces back and we're ready to assemble the car. So we're gonna kind of document just putting it together. I'm not gonna get super detailed with showing you guys every nut and bolt because we don't have time for it. So enjoy watching us put the car together and make it go from a pile of parts to something pretty darn cool. Shoes off the end of this car. I think it's going to be a nut buster. What do you mean? No way, man.
Getting in and out.
You just take the steering wheel off.
I got the quick release. It don't look bad.
It actually is quite comfortable. You got to be short like us. It's a short guy's car, but it's actually like the way you lean back, and he's got this little bolster in the back.
Putting that like bucket style into it, man, that
Yeah.
really helps out with the sitting.
You're close to that windshield.
Oh, I mean, I figured I would be. That's what you sacrifice for looking cool. All right, so car's together, sort of, and it looks pretty awesome. This is the first time I've basically sat in the car since it's been assembled, and it's pretty awesome. Everything looks, feels really cool, and we just got a tiny bit more work. Today is Tuesday? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and we are leaving Thursday evening, so we still have a lot of stuff to do to try and get the car just so it looks like a car a little bit more, you know, make up a couple little hoses, spacers. A lot of what I'm finding is there's just stuff that I made when we were putting the car together, and I might not have left enough clearance for body filler, primer, paint, and I have to adjust things and ream holes out and stuff like that. So that's taking quite a bit of time, and that's just honestly a little bit of my inexperience. But the car's coming together really sweet, and I am psyched. So in the kind of swap between the shots, we didn't really show it, but I ended up swapping the tires out. So we now have 5/525 16 fronts, and I got from England Blockley tires. They're actually like made for vintage Jags and Ferraris and things like that, but a lot of the guys in Europe that are doing the racing on the beach and stuff like that, I'm starting to see those tires quite a bit in Europe and the UK, and I kind of caught a glimpse of them, looked them up, and fell in love with them. So new tire combo, but I think it looks awesome. Gives it more of a performance-oriented look, which is really, really cool. So that's all I have for this one. Next time you guys are going to see it, it's going to be at the show, and pretty much mostly together. So we'll get some really good shots of it all together at the show, and get it all, you know, cleaned up, buffed up, and everything, so you guys can really see everything that is the free T. Appreciate you guys following along for the whole build. If you haven't, definitely hit the subscribe button. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And thanks, guys. Catch you later.